What's up, good people? It's Kenyon. Why aren't you thriving in real estate and making the money you wish for? I can give you the number one reason: fear. Fear of failure and fear of losing money. You can't have abundance of success with a scarcity mindset. To drive business, you need to be creating content, lead generating, or networking. Assuming you're not lazy, which I truly hope isn't the case because then there's no hope for you, fear of failure and losing money is limiting you from taking the necessary actions to thrive. The good thing is, fear of failure is an easy one to logically overcome. Logically, if you don't try, you can't fail. But if you don't try, you damn sure can't succeed. Most of the best lessons are learned in failure. So in actuality, there's no failure, only lessons learned on your way to making all the money you want. We've all heard the saying, scared money don't make money. Well, it's 100% true. What's the point of having money if you don't use it? Unlike humans, your cash stash doesn't get bigger sitting still. It requires movement. For your money to grow faster, then it requires risk. But the rewards are worth it and they're endless. So let's replace fear with confidence. Being confident in your success is a powerful mindset. It means you feel great about the success you achieve while taking action, taking risks, and challenging yourself. Look at it like this. Every time you're out in public is at least a $15,000 opportunity. You will meet someone who at some point will want to buy, sell, or invest in real estate. If not them, they know someone who will. Know that every connection you make or every piece of content you create is a potential $15,000 opportunity at least that's headed towards your pocket. Listen to me. Fear is just worrying, and worrying is praying to the devil. Stop it. The universe is yours, so believe in the magic of it to create all the success you want and make all the money you want too. The grand architect of the universe told us we are fearfully and wonderfully made, so don't be afraid of anything. To learn more about how to overcome fear and start taking off in your business, connect with me via Instagram, Threads, or book some time on my calendar. But in the meantime, till the next video, y'all stay super blessed.